Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Google Drive and share the link using Google Chrome. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open Google Chrome and navigate to drive.google.com. So I'm gonna open my Chrome browser. And after then you have to type here drive.google.com. And here you have to log in with your email and password. Ensure that you are logged into your Google account. In this Google Drive, click on the New button located at the top left corner. And from the drop-down menu, select File Upload. Here, a File Explorer window will open. Now, navigate to the folder containing the photos you want to upload. For example, I want to upload this photo. So I'm choosing this one, and after then you have to click on open, and now the photo is going to be uploaded. Here you can see that the photo has been uploaded here. Once the upload is complete, locate the uploaded photo in your Google Drive. Here it is. Now right click on it, and if you hover over here, you have to select this share option. And in this box, you will see a section labeled General Access. So click on this restricted drop-down menu and choose anyone with the link. This setting allows anyone with the link to view the photo. And after selecting anyone with the link, click on the copy link button. And then the link to your photo is now copied to your clipboard and can be shared with others. And now, if you want to visit that link, you can paste it on the address bar, or any of your friends also can visit this link to get that photo. Here it is. That's it. You have successfully uploaded a photo to Google Drive and shared the link using Google Chrome. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.